step into the 2010 Honda Civic STN LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: variable speed intermittent wipers, front disc rear drum brakes, ABS, cruise control, AC, intermittent wipers, and remote trunk release. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.